This video is about to show you how to connect the dongle with the external Wi-Fi router. And for the operation on the Android phone and iOS phone is the same. First, go to your setting and connect the device ID. And join. And here, this icon, it means the connection is successful. And then go to your Safari and input this IP address. And here's the Wi-Fi IP, click it and scan. And choose one Wi-Fi which is available and input the password. And connect. And if the external Wi-Fi router connected, here will show the router's name. And here we can see the Wi-Fi router's name and the IP address changes. And if later we want to change the Wi-Fi and connect this Wi-Fi and input this IP address and change another Wi-Fi router if you want. And this is the setting. Thank you.